a lot of service providers are very interested in the accuracy of planning tools. And so, Jihad, I guess, can you describe just how accurate is cnHeat?
cnHeat is a very accurate tool. It uses LiDAR, which is light and detection and ranging technology. It creates high resolution models of ground elevation with a vertical accuracy of less than 10 centimeters. This method uses light in the form of pulsed laser, and it generates a three-dimensional points, which is in turn used to extract info about the Earth and its surface. In general, it's the most accurate tool that we have to generate a heat map of the coverage.
Okay, so how does this compare with other technologies that are available?
It's a lot more accurate. I mean, LiDAR data is an aerial method. As I said, it uses very similar to what helicopters use to determine, the elevation. So it sends an RF signal to the ground and gets the RF signal back. That's what a Doppler method would do. And then it measures the timing to figure out the elevation. In case of LiDAR, instead of an RF signal, it puts a pulsed laser, which is a lot more accurate than that. So it's a lot higher frequency. It is the most accurate tool that is in there. In general, if you look at Google Earth or anything else beside the laser, it doesn't come close to the accuracy that we provide.
Okay, and Seth, you've dealt with a lot of the service providers who've got this deployed in their networks. Obviously, the theory is great, but what do the network operators say about the accuracy?
Yeah, I mean, it's for them, what we've heard over and over again is it's a game changer. For those that are used to doing the traditional method, used to using the 10-meter resolution data with simulated clutter to actually be able to get 1-meter resolution and a 3D model versus just simulated, it's absolute game changer.
Okay, but as a game changer, what does this mean for service providers as part of business value?
Yeah, no, great question. So historically, operators have always had this big question mark about whether or not they cover an area or not. The tools just haven't been that great in the past in predicting signal. And so they would always schedule, do a truck roll, send somebody out, let them climb on the roof, let them check. And now with incredible accuracy, with the confidence behind knowing that the tool works, you can check it in the software. You can see if it's covered, if it's not covered, and you can go based on that. It eliminated untold number of truck rolls because it's accurate, it's dependable, and our operators rely on it every day.
Jihad, I guess, are there any other things that impact the business of service providers? Any other features?
Absolutely. There's like four things. I mean, Seth mentioned the optimizing the truck roll, which means that up front we know ahead where the location on the rooftop is gonna receive the best signal. So we know that up front. There is no playing or no trial and error that the technician has to go through. He knows exactly where to put it, and he puts it, and it will be up and running. So that's the first benefit that will be gotten. The second benefit is from a marketing perspective. cnHeat will give you all the addresses that you could market your services to. And this is extremely, very valuable. I mean, it gives you a targeted marketing list of addresses that you could go and tell them, I can provide you this particular service, and you know that you could do it with the existing equipment that you have. The third thing is also cnHeat can provide you capability to figure out what is the best site to put an access point. So you could maximize the coverage that you could have for potential customers as a WISP.